let me just use that.
Ray Bobby and a party in house.
Screw the fofo.
That's them right there.
I see him taking out his video.
So how did you end up the only girl in the whole
Chill, right? Chill.
Get her something on being arrested?
Chill, right? Chill. It's good.
Hey man, when we film, we'll jump out and let's get a shot of it.
Hey, Ray, go on, man. Go on. I don't know you, man. Why are you coming up there on truck, man? Go on over here, man.
Mike.
Me?
What rules do we violate?
Damn, man, if we bust our speakers off, I'm being pissed off.
Hey, bro.
I'm showing the camera, dude. Cops.
Which rules did we violate, man?
I don't know, but they pull us over for nothing, man. We like speeding.
Hey man, when they
Damn, the cop pulled us over. I got him on camera, though, dude. It's all good. We take him to court.
Hey, were we speeding?
Hey, arrest us, dude. Let them arrest us. We ain't got no cooler. We ain't got no cooler, shit.
I was driving the truck. I wasn't sitting in the back of that truck throwing anything out. What have y'all pulled me over for?
Man.
On the outside, they was on the inside. Whenever I was driving down the road, I didn't know they was on the outside.
Hey, were we on the outside?
Hey, be cool. Let him give you a ticket.
187 East Side.
Hey, this is y'all, right? I'm recording the cops, see what everything say.
I'm Mike.
Ray, Mike. Huff.
She got
Watch out, man.
I'm not going to jail.
she got paid. She got paid.
Look, we're gonna wait on y'all.
Hey,
Yeah, wait on us, man. Wait on us. Don't move until we get up there.
I'm recording everything the cops say anyway.
y'all want to get me out of Bay County Jail?
No, chill. Be quiet, chill. Just let him give you a ticket. If he give you a ticket, you can take it to court anyway. We got a video camera.
Hey, we videotaping.
We recording the cop.
Now y'all got to come get me out of jail.
Wait.
Sit down.
Wait, be quiet.
Robert, get down.
People, sit down.
Who ain't sit down?
Robert, sit down. Sit down.
I always sit down.
Are you sitting down?
I'm just recording the cop.
Sitting down. I'm gonna you sitting down.
Be quiet, damn.
Take his truck. I'll drive your truck. I got a license. Why didn't you take your ticket? Come on.
I
Damn.
didn't say anything. He said he was going to arrest me because they wasn't sitting down the back of the
I'm
truck.
sitting down, sir. I'm sitting down, going to the motel to go to sleep. Don't take her to jail. Let her drive. She ain't drunk. I'm drunk.
Hey, they said we was outside the truck. Stay down. They said we was outside the truck.
I'm sitting down.
I'm gonna run out of the house. I don't want to take her to jail.
What's up, bud?
I see your driver's license, sir.
I ain't got no driver's license.
How old are you?
I'm 17.
You don't have a driver's license? Have you been drinking tonight?
No,
Sir?
no. I'm straight.
You haven't been drinking tonight. Why do I smell so much beer in the back of this
Because
truck?
everybody else been drinking. He's 21.
They was taking me to the...
They was taking him to the motel he stayed at. We picked him up, sir.
I got a ride up. I got a ride up here, man. I was going to get some beer and stuff, man.
I'm staying at the...
I don't know what this is all about, man. I like to get out and get some beer and go.
We ain't even got a cooler, sir. It's cool, man. It's straight.